Good day, everyone. Hey guys, it's me again, Ron Villaflor. So we're going to have a food vlog. So for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo. This is a siomai, which is galing dito in our community, which is very affordable. Sabi daw nila, yung iba masarap daw. Ito siya. Well, by the way, let's talk about the price. It's around cost this one 5 pieces 50 pesos. Got a free toyo, free garlic, free chili. Just look at this one. And look, see the texture on it. I don't know if you can see it. Sarap siya, guys. And we have a free water. So you can drink first. After that, make the sign of the cross. So next. This is only 5 pieces, but it's only 50 pesos. Sarap siya, guys. Marami kain ko So hope you guys enjoyed the food vlog, siomai vlog. Bili kayo. Promise. Paiba-ibang siomai branches all over the Philippines. So, painintay nyo. Good for snacks, good for merienda, sulit talaga. So, Ron Villaflor TV. See you guys in the next video.